Monster.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Pete and welcome back to the Kubota Monster channel. And today we are doing a little snowblower chain repair. Yes, that's right. My brand new snowblower, after the first snowstorm, went through 4 shear pins and busted a chain. See how happy I am? So happy. I've never had any issues with the snowblower like I had with this one, just out of the box. My John Deere snowblower last winter pushed through everything. Heavy snow, wet snow, light snow, icy conditions. It just ripped through everything, and I never had any issues with it. So to say I'm upset would be an understatement. So let me show you what exactly happened here. Just snapped right off. And so I took it off the snowblower, and we're gonna swap it over, and hopefully we don't have any issues until the next snowblower comes. I am upgrading to the 55-inch commercial snowblower. This is the 50-inch. Does not say commercial near the snowblower when you are picking out snowblowers between the 48, 50, and 55. I had a 47 last year, and I said, you know, maybe a little bit bigger would be good. An inch up to a 48. I was like, hey, let me try the 50. I still think the 50 is the perfect size for me. I think the 55 is probably going to be a little too big, but I'd rather go big than little. And when I was purchasing the snowblower to begin with, my salesman had pushed me towards the 48-inch commercial blower, but I said, no, I want the 50. So I don't know what the difference is with the commercial grade, or what the difference is between that one or this one. This looks exactly like the snowblower that I got from John Deere. I mean, it looks like a heavy-duty piece of equipment, and I don't know what the problem or the issue is. And the bad luck I have with this machine is incredible. So this is going to be the first chain I probably changed out since I was a kid riding my BMX bike. So let's see how many fingers I have left after it's all done. Okay, guys, let's see if we have the right tool for the job now. This little cheap pick I picked up from, I don't know, one of those box stores. That's where I wear the gloves. Try it back to the Phillips head again. If I had a third hand to stick the pick in there while I was moving it, that would be great. See if we can. See, there we go. That third hand would have been good. Okay, that is up. Come on. Pop out of there. Damn thing went flying behind the toolbox. Okay, guys, let me go grab it. Okay, guys, see, real life. Shit happens. We got the little clip off. Now, take that piece off, and there are two little like, I don't know what you want to call them, washers, rubber pieces. Those will come off. And then the back side should pop off and have the same thing on the back side. And what we'll do, so we don't lose those, is put that on there, make sure we put it on the right direction. Okay, so now we have all our pieces so they don't stick to me. And our chain is open. So let's go try to put it back on the blower. Here we go. Okay, guys, I got my chain, and we're gonna put it back in and loop it around. Hopefully I can get it up here. I saw another person online have to change his blower, and he actually took it off and laid it down on its front side, but I really didn't want to do that. So let's see if I can scoop it up this way and maybe make my life a little easier. Or maybe, let's see, I could do it like this. I think I have a little bit more room over here for my hand. Fingers. Okay, so let's make sure she's on. Don't you go anywhere now. Let's get you on there. Right. And she is not on the bottom. There we go. Last thing we want to do is put this thing on and not have it linked right. So let's see if we get it in the grooves. Maybe that can help us hold it into place. Yeah, see, it just slipped right off. Maybe there's more of a problem. Okay, now there we go. Okay, look at that. Okay. So the chain is on, and everything is lined up there for me to be successful. So I have all my bits and pieces here. Let me get my fingers wiped off. Let's slide this in. We are there, and we are going to do our two little washers. All right, don't you fall on me. They're real sticky. They're sticking to my fingers, so as I pull my fingers away, they are coming off. Okay, now we're going to put the cap on. Come on, see how it wants to fall off there. And that's probably because I'm not putting it on the right ones. Okay, so now that's on. So that was the easy part. Now we got to put this little doodad back on, which is going to be a pain in the ass. I'm sure there's some special tool that the boys in the shop use, but I am what they call an avionics guy. I don't have all these little specialty tools and $20,000 of snap-on tools because I don't need that stuff. It would be nice if I could just do it with my hand. Let's see. If I remember from my bicycle days, I can just push it on, clamp it into place here. Okay, guys, wait right there, because I see an accident happen where I'm gonna jab my hands. Okay, got my John Deere gloves here. Maybe they give me some good luck. Okay. Oh, okay, that got pushed on. See, as soon as I got the gloves on, I knew it wasn't gonna mess with me. I said, ah, shit. We can't jab them in the hands. Okay. Let's use our little handy dandy pick. Get that sucker back into place. Ah. Come on. Oh, you're right there. You want to go in. When all else fails, bang it in. Oh, see, that would have been a jam on my finger. Oh, thought I had it there. Let's get my pick again. Oh, look at that. Damn thing came off. I'm not gonna be able to pick it up with my gloves on. Okay. Let's try this again. Yep. Okay. The guards want me to have one glove off. So see if we can push it on. Thank God for magnetic tools. Okay. See, that seems to be the way to do it. It's just gotta get this top piece to pop into place, which I know you guys can't see right now. Right, did I get it? Okay, I think I got it. I think I got it. Can you guys see me up there? Can you see me? Okay, so I just want to make sure I got it. All right, let me just give it a little squeeze. Okay. Alright. Let's make sure she is in. Okay. She's in. So now let's see if she works before we put the cover back on. She hasn't been started up since the snowstorm, so let's get those glow plugs going. And we get her right up. Let's get this thing connected. Did it work, guys? I think so. Saw some stuff fly out of there, so I'm hoping. We won't know until I look back at the videotape, but it looked and felt like it was spinning, and the chain is still on. So yeah, I'm gonna put a little oil on that chain, and then we're gonna close it all up. Okay, guys, well, hopefully you could see here, she's still intact. Chain is on there nice and tight, and I'm gonna put the cover back on. And hopefully I will never have to mess with another chain again. It is a 13 millimeter. Let me see if I can get over to this side without having to go over there. Just GT, just to cover. It doesn't need to be monkey down. And I'll see you in a second. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for tuning in. And I do have a snowstorm coming up. Hopefully it will yield a few inches where we get to use the Kubota Monster again and have some fun. Here again is the broken chain. And I don't like calling anybody out on videos and stuff like that because it lasts forever. I always try to be the guy that the glass is half full instead of half empty. But I do have to say that I'm very disappointed in this snowblower. I mean, it looks like a fine piece of machinery here, but 4 shear pins and now a chain. Come on, Kubota. You guys can do better than this. You know, we spent thousands of dollars on these snow blowers. Thousands, not hundreds. This isn't like Home Depot, Lowe's, you know, Toro, walk behind, you know, $1,200 one. That thing works perfect. Never sheared a pin whatsoever. These things should be able to swallow ice, wet, heavy snow, and, you know, unless we are trying to go into a gravel pit with it, it should handle pretty much anything we put in it. That's why we spend thousands of dollars. And all you guys out there that are like, oh, Pete, oh, that's normal. Just get a whole bag of shear pins and, you know, blah, 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 blah. You know, it's, guys, you spent thousands of dollars on this stuff, okay? I can see if we swallow a boulder, okay, and then it shears to protect the machine. But wet, heavy snow, you know, some ice, come on. Should be able to rip right through that. Just my opinion. You guys might feel differently, but for me, that's my opinion and that's how I feel about it. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that the 55-inch commercial model will do better than this one. So as always, guys, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. Tell a friend about the Kubota Monster channel. And I appreciate you guys tuning in. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
The Kubota Monster.